Assalamu Alaikum, my lovely friends and family. I hope you're all in the best state of health with sound Iman. Also, I hope you're taking good care of yourself. Anyway, welcome back to Iwat Eti Eating Kitchen. In today's video, building Allaah Ta'ala, I'm going to be sharing with you how to juice watermelon ring with apple using Omega Juicer. While the juicing is going on, I will also be sharing with you some of the health benefits of apple. Before we get to that, the first thing that I need to do is to slice the apple into 4 pieces. And I'm using about 15 apples.
The stalk and the seeds must be removed.
The reason being that we are going to be using the juice pulp to make smoothie later on. Remember, in Iwat Kitchen, nothing is wasted.
Don't forget, you accidentally cut too much on me, you should cut this bit. Hey!
Be careful.
Ow! Ouch, that really hurt. Me!
Alhamdulillah, my brave little chef is okay and is not ready to give up. So, he's back to slicing the apple, but he keep doing this. You're not adding that to the food.
Why?
Because you've been rubbing your hand on your top. So you better eat your apple by yourself.
No.
Finally, you get it out. Don't add it to the food that I'm juicing.
Why?
Because you've been rubbing your hand on your clothes since. It's not hygienic.
This is, well, no, it's not actually.
Alhamdulillah, we finished cutting all the apples and our fingers are all intact. Next is to get the juicer ready. So I'm going to be adding some water to clean the inner part of the juicer. I'm sorry for the interruption. Anyway, we are going to be juicing the watermelon ring first. I've shared with you in one of my videos the health benefit of watermelon ring. If you haven't seen this video before, a link to it will be shared in the description section below. So be sure to check it out. I will say that I would love to share with you one of the reasons why I love watermelon ring, because it is high in fiber, and ever since I discovered it, I've been using it to treat my chronic constipation. Alhamdulillah, and it has worked really well. Can you see the amount of juice I'm able to extract from the watermelon ring? It is about 1 liter of juice. Anyway, the next thing to do is to juice the apple. And while this is going on, as I promised, I would love to share with you some of the health benefits of apple in related to weight loss. Apple in general is highly nutritious and is very good for weight loss because it is high in fiber and water. These two qualities make it kind of filling and tend to let you eat less. And there are some research that has backed this up. For example, in one study, people who ate apple slice before a meal felt fuller than those who consume apple sauce, apple juice, or no apple products. Also, in the same studies, those who started their meal with apple slice also ate an average of 200 fewer calories than those who did not. Researchers think that apples are more filling because they are less energy dense, yet still deliver fiber and volume to your body. I will not want you to rely wholly on this information. Please kindly do your research. Remember, health is wealth. Also, a link to how I get this information will be added to the description section below. So, kindly, why do you have to do that? I'm sorry about that. Kindly check it out. Alhamdulillah, I finished juicing and the two juice was added together. What a combination. One important fact that I want you to know is that both fruits are high in water and fiber content, so they may aid weight loss in several ways because they are filling. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you do, kindly share with your friends and family. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please kindly do. We will be uploading new video at least twice in a week. So don't forget to put on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we drop a new video. And please don't forget to give us a thumb up. This will serve as motivation and it will make us happy. With this, we leave you in the care of Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe with lots of love. Iwat.